This is a tutorial for complete beginners on how to program in the Python language and get a six-pack abs at the same time. Research has shown that it is exponentially more effective to work on your mind and your body concurrently. We start with installing Python. Make sure that the Python interpreter is available in your terminal. Then start warming up your body, do some stretches. First thing in the Python code, you want to import all the libraries you need for your program. Let's just import TensorFlow. As you know, TensorFlow is the most popular library you can use to write AI or robots such as self-driving car. It can also generate images, compose music, or make video games. Anything and everything really. We start from the basic by writing a hello world program. I'm calling the print function in the TensorFlow library. Save it as lesson1.py source file, and we are running it. Nice. That is our first Python program. You can print numbers, objects, tensors. You can also create a variable, do some calculations, and print their values. We have written 10 lines of code so far. Now we will do a set of the same number of reps. We're doing 10 reps. That will be our mantra. You code, lift, and repeat. In this next exercise, we will use machine learning to generate images. This is the code for doing that. As you can see, we're using a generative adversarial network provided by TensorFlow. Pretty basics. We can pick a category. Let's choose hamburger. Alright, time to introduce our second rule. Every time there's an error, you have to do a set of 10 reps. Note that I'm doing this for demonstration purpose only. I don't make mistakes when coding. The code is fixed now. Let's rerun it. Good, the image is generated, and these hamburgers look disgusting as expected. Don't ever touch them. You should only eat chicken breasts, eggs, salmon, and protein powders. Alright, so that was like more than 100 lines of code. That means we will do 10 to 15 sets. If your brain is telling you no, don't listen. Don't let your mind hold your body back. Get your ass out of that chair. Alright. Are you feeling the pain? That is progress. Now where are we? Last exercise, we will write an AI that can talk to us. I'm already putting the code here. It's pretty straightforward. We're constructing a simulation of the human brain, but adding much greater processing power so that the intelligence will be at superhuman level. You know how it goes. It is running, we can interact with it. Let's ask something interesting, the meaning of life. Okay. Not sure I understand, but that was around 15,000 lines of code. You know what that means. Time to sweat. That's it for today. In next week video, we will build a quantum computer and learn to perform heart surgeries at the same time. See you.